The best folding bikes are different from other bikes for one obvious reason. The clue is in the name, they fold. The ability of these machines to become suitcase sized makes them perfect for taking on the train. It means you don't need to leave a bike locked at its station, and it's here to hop on at the end of the train journey too. Yes, you can take regular known folding bikes on trains, but often not during rush hour services and never on number of services, and you may have to book a slot with some train companies. A folding bike gets around those problems for commuters. We have listed the top 5 folding bikes and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You could also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, guidinggear.com. Number 5. Goplus 20-inch folding bike. This Goplus 20-inch folding bike is pretty fast and has really nice gearing, which stands up surprisingly well to even pretty aggressive riding. The Shimano 7-speed gear shifter and derailleur gives smooth and accurate changing through the gears and are a breeze to operate. The gears also make this bike a pretty decent hill climber and can reduce the amount of effort required for uphill riding and off-road riding by massive 80%. However, it is not a mountain bike by any stretch of the imagination, and they will help you pick up a pretty decent amount of speed pretty quickly when riding on flat, which will save you time and money on commutes while giving you a smoother and more comfortable ride. The handlebar features comfortable non-slip rubber grips, which are great for making longer rides more comfortable and less strenuous on your arms, wrists, and hands by reducing hand numbness as well as fatigue and forearm pain. The main thing though is that your hands stay put on the handlebar, keeping you in full control of the bike. Folding the bike down is a piece of cake. You can just release the catch on the stem and fold it down, and then release the catch on the frame and literally fold the bike in half, and that's it. Really quick and easy to do. In fact, probably quicker than finding a secure place to leave it and locking it up, and all without the worry of returning to find it stolen or damaged. Number 4. IDS Home unYOUsual U-Transformer 20-inch folding city bike. IDS bike is also really easy to fold down and store away just about anywhere. It's also a pretty lightweight bike too, weighing in at around 32 pounds or 14.5 kilograms. So if you need to carry it with you, especially up and down the stairs, or on and off elevators or buses and trains, it's not going to be a problem. The folding bike also comes with a Shimano 6-speed gear system, which is operated via Shimano ReverShift twist grip shifter on the handlebar, which is great for picking up speed quickly on the flat for a traffic beating commute on busy city streets, where you'll be able to zip in and out of standing traffic and save time on your commute, and also taking the slog out of hill climbing. This IDS folding bicycle also features a set of front and rear semi-alloy V-brakes. V-brakes are far less expensive and more convenient than disc brakes to repair, replace, and to maintain, as you can easily do all 3 on the go. Replacement brake shoes along with the other components are very easy to come by. You will probably find them on Amazon too. And although V-brakes can wear your rims, in contrast they don't put any strain on the spokes or hubs. Front and rear wounded 20-inch by 1.75-inch tires make this bike a great choice for everyday use on the city streets. They may not be the best tires you can buy, however they will give you pretty good grip on the road and other paid surfaces, as well as some cushioning against any bumps in the road you may come across. This bike also features something which you don't see on many bikes these days, and that's a bell, which is a great little safety device for letting other road users and pedestrians know you're around. Number 3. ZIZZO VIA. The ZIZZO VIA is an exceptional bike which features a lightweight aluminum frame, 7-speed Shimano rear derailleur, and folds away in seconds. A great all-rounder which is extremely hard to beat for the price. The first thing we noticed while testing the ZIZZO was how fast it felt. This is thanks to the aluminum frame and twist of components which all up weigh around 26.5 pounds. One other thing we loved was the fact that it's suitable for riders from 4 foot 8 inches through 6 foot 3 inches, meaning the whole family could make use of it. Other notable features include a 7-speed Shimano drivetrain, 20-inch wheels, powerful V-brakes, and a convenient folding mechanism that allows you to fold the ZIZZO away in under 15 seconds. There were a few small things which we didn't like, such as the saddle wasn't very padded and we would prefer an adjustable handlebar stem. Not deal breakers, however, we would recommend upgrading the saddle for maximum effort. Overall, the ZIZZO VIA is an excellent all-rounder which would make a great bike for commuting, the family to use, or for leisurely rides. Number 2. HEYBIKE MARS 500 watt. Fun, easy, great new design. The perfect electric folding bike for city riding and use on gravel road tracks thanks to the 4-inch fat tires, which make the HEYBIKE so comfortable to ride. The HEYBIKE MARS electric folding bike boasts a remarkable 500 watts motor, so you can easily tackle almost any terrain. Other noteworthy features of this e-bike include the 20-inch by 4-inch puncture-resistant fat tires, 7-speed Shimano drivetrain, dual shock absorbers, and 3 working modes. The HEYBIKE MARS can travel up to 37 miles unassisted and is suitable for people between 5 foot 2 inches and 6 foot 5 inches in height. Number 1. SCHWINN LOOP. The SCHWINN LOOP adult folding bicycle succeeds in making deluxe folding commuters bikes much more accessible to those that otherwise wouldn't be willing to pay the extra money. The heart of the Schwinn loop begins with the frame, which is made from reinforced aluminum to ensure added strength and stability for the daily demands of urban riding. When fully assembled, the loop weighs around 33 pounds. Not the lightest you'll encounter by any means, but still adequate. The loop utilizes a very simple middle hinge that is located on the frame's main tube, near to the crankset. A quick release latch lets you frame the pivot on a hinge, which then swings inwards. From there, the handlebars fold down and the seat spot can be collapsed into the frame to save space. The drivetrain on the Schwinn loop includes 7 speeds that offer plenty of variances in between for better efficiency, especially when you need fast acceleration or maintaining a high speed when space allows. The Schwinn Loop folding commuter bike 20-inch wheel set consists of 20-inch alloy wheels with 30 spokes, which are more than enough to help prevent bending on the rims from the normal riding. Semi-slick tires with a smooth street tread give the bike solid grip on paved surfaces. Buying guide. There are many different brands offering folding bikes, and what might be the perfect option for one person may be wrong for another. Key differences can be found in the folding mechanism, wheel size, weight, and price. Folding mechanism. A collapsible bike can be folded in a few different ways. Some styles are more user-friendly than others, so it's worth seeing a bike in the flesh and practicing folding and unfolding before you buy, particularly if you expect to be unfurling the bike in a hurry on a train platform. Folding bike wheel size. Models with smaller wheels will be lighter and more compact when folded, but won't gather as much momentum on the road. A folding bike with larger wheels will be much more faster rolling once the wheels are up to speed, but will likely weigh more and will be a little more cumbersome to load onto public transport or haul up a few flights of stairs. Lightweight folding bikes. If you intend to be hoisting the bike on and off trains, then it's understandable that you want it to be light, but this can be achieved through using a lighter frame material. Higher quality components will also reduce the weight, as will opting for fewer gears. Folding bike adjustability. Most folding bikes will be one size fits all, with a great deal of adjustability, meaning that it's easy to share the bike across members of your household. However, if you know this is an important consideration, it's worth ensuring that the model you buy offers a wide range of adjustment that's easy to use. Let us know in the comments which model works for you the best and why. Thank you for watching the video, and that is all for this one. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up, stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. Hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.